Transform your Zoom meetings into captivating live broadcasts, reaching audiences far beyond your virtual room. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly stream your Zoom sessions to platforms like YouTube or Facebook first. Ensure your Zoom account is set up for live streaming. Go to your Zoom web portal, navigate to Settings, and under In Meeting, Advanced, enable the Live Streaming or Custom Live Streaming Service. Option this is your gateway to broadcasting your meetings live. When you're ready to start streaming a meeting, you'll find a More button in your Zoom meeting controls. Click on it, and then select Live on YouTube or Live on Facebook, or go to the Custom Live Streaming Service if you've configured that. If you're using a custom streaming service, you'll need to grab two crucial pieces of information from your streaming platform: a stream key, and often a server URL. You'll find these in your streaming platform's live event setup. Copy and paste these precisely into the corresponding fields in Zoom. Double-check them for accuracy. Once connected, your streaming platform will likely give you a preview. You can then set up your stream title, description, and audience settings, like making it public, unlisted, or private. This is key for audience reach. Before hitting go, consider your camera and microphone setup within Zoom to ensure the best quality for your viewers. Finally, back in your Zoom meeting, you'll see a Go Live button. When the streaming platform is ready, click it, and your meeting is now live. Remember to communicate with your live audience through the platform's chat feature for maximum engagement. Happy streaming!